نكون من الجاهلين.
يكف اللسان في الفتنة.
Control the tongue in times of fitnah. When it is a time of fitnah, restrain your hands and don't get involved because it's between Muslims. Killing a Muslim is not permissible. Control your tongue. It's not sufficient to just restrain your hands because some of the people restrain their hands due to cowardice. They don't want to fight. They're cowards. This is the case for many of us. However, they don't control their tongues. They instigate the fitnah. They instigate the fitnah. They excite one to jihad. They say that this is jihad. Control your tongue from instigating the Muslims towards the fitnah because this will weaken us. As for encouraging them to fight, saying, go and fight, this is not permissible. Control your tongue, be quiet. Don't add to the evil. They don't go, but they will tell the people to go. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there will be a tribulation that will wipe out the Arabs, in which those killed on both sides are in the hellfire. In that time, the spoken word will be stronger than the sword. In this hadith, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam informs the people that there will be a fitnah and killing will take place and the tongue will be more severe than the sword. Pay attention, this is the point of reference. The tongue has with it incitement in the lectures and sermons that are encouraging the people to enter the fitnah and to kill each other. This is more severe than the sword. A sword might kill one or two. A tongue can incite the ummah against each other. So, it's upon the Muslim to control his tongue. Either he says what is good or remains silent. The Prophet ﷺ said, he who believes in Allah and the last day must either speak good or remain silent. Don't add to the evil. Be quiet. If you don't bring with you any good, then at least restrain from bringing the people evil.